Most existing industrial robots only have up to 6 axes and are limited to serving with grippers, thus restricting their flexibility. ITRI has developed the dual-arm robot system, DARS, which features 2 7-axis robot arms. Each arm has a payload-to-weight ratio of 0.3. DARS has a total of 29 joints, which increases its freedom of movement. DARS arms are lightweight. The built-in robotic operating system integrates a variety of robotic software functions, providing human-like operating capabilities and enabling it to perform diverse tasks. DARS has human-like hands that can grasp irregularly sized and soft objects. It can hold tools, balls, writing utensils, name cards, mobile phones. It can even play an electric piano. DARS offers more flexible movement thanks to its greater number of axes and joints. The arm is 900 millimeters in length and can reach objects even farther away. Its hand has 5 fingers. It is able to overcome the limitations of traditional robotic grippers that have only 2 fingers and which can only grasp fixed-shaped or hard objects. ITRI has developed DARS to help industry deliver smart manufacturing, living applications, and healthcare, bringing new services to society.
Robotics combines Samsung's innovative hardware and cutting-edge AI software to create solutions that both care for you and help you along the way, whether you're at home or outside of it. You are at the center of all our innovations. Now, we're going to show you what this looks like in a not-too-distant future. First, Samsung Bot Care uses AI technology to take care of all the little details in your life by recognizing and understanding your behaviors to be a better robotic assistant and a companion.
You've been on your computer too long. How about stretching and taking a short break? The conference call is scheduled in a few minutes.
BotCare knows your schedule and your habits and can remind you of the conference call you have with colleagues coming up in 15 minutes. Now remember the bot you saw in our studio earlier? That was Bot Handy, a home robot that can both recognize and grab objects, becoming an extension of you in the kitchen, in the living room, and anywhere else you may need that extra hand in your home. Bot Handy, let's show them what you've got. Bot Handy uses AI to understand objects, like a glass cup or ceramic plate, taking note of their shape and materials to work as your trusted partner. Bot Handy can move around and do things like set the table or put away groceries. It flips the script on what a robot in your home could look like. Good job!
Starting to clean. clean again. Avoiding an obstacle. Finished cleaning. Returning to the station.
We've been thinking. There are many dangerous, repetitive, and difficult tasks out there. Can't humans focus more on values, look out for ourselves better, live fuller lives? So that's where we started. The future of robotics we wish to pursue. Robots that help establish human-centric values beyond physical limitations and communicate with us in humane ways. The new robot-human coexistence Chloe wishes to offer the world. We design future life. We create values.
I think the biggest advantage is that it can comfortably serve a large amount of food all at once. It's really satisfying to see stable service conducted thanks to Chloe's smooth movement. We're very satisfied that we can trust Chloe even when there are many customers and it's hectic.
Chloe Genie. This is the Round Kitchen Island.
For this contactless, non-face-to-face era, it's just what we need. First, visitors focus on a Dowsent tour to guide them around, which enables me to prepare for more attentive customer guidance. Chloe gives an overview, and I'm in charge of more detailed information, so it's possible to offer much better service.
I'm glad just to focus on cooking now that so many repetitive tasks have been reduced. Customers also really like it. It always keeps accurate temperature and timing, so the taste of the food always stays consistent. Shall we say it's like a chef working together with a trustworthy assistant?
Normally, staff members clean and disinfect everything. But now there's Chloe with UVC, which we anticipate will become in charge of disinfecting the guest rooms once testing is completed. With Chloe, we believe our staff will have the opportunity to concentrate on more efficient ways of cleaning while reducing their work fatigue. It's also possible to have contactless room service. Because of the friendly design and the fact that it ensures privacy, guests are also very happy and satisfied.
The biggest advantage is the convenience and accuracy of the samples reaching the correct destination. Chloe has an inbuilt locking device, so samples can't be accessed just by anybody. So the information of the person being tested is securely protected. Even when I can't take the samples to another lab myself, it's really convenient to have it transported there in real time.
They have lots of fun with it. Thanks to the unique robot delivery, customers order a lot more frequently. From the store's perspective too, the delivery operation is very efficient. It has an inbuilt temperature maintaining function, and checking its arrival in real time is convenient too.
Oh, it's here. Thanks, Chloe.
More than anything, I think that it's capable of reliable service in this contactless era.
You see, Chloe's already among us. Here, today. Replacing worries with safety. Paving the way for efficient, more fulfilling lives. Offering humankind fresh values and new experiences. This is the world where humans and robots coexist that we wish to create. LG Chloe.
Wow! Hello, I'm Petit Kubo. See? I'm much smaller than my daddy. So, my family can carry me around anywhere. When she's working and when she's just chilling, I can always comfort her with my tail. I get the urge to wag my tail when I hear sounds.
Good night, Kubo.
I think the sound of my heartbeat is comforting to her. Ah! Phew! I don't do well with loud noises. See you soon, Petit Kubo!